Ma'am, follow-up po. How does Malacanang CVP Sara publicly defending Kong Pulong and their history of siding with figures involved in serious crimes like Pastor Kibuloy, who's facing sexual abuse and human trafficking charges?
Yun na po ang nangyayari. Ganyan po ang nangyayari kapag ka po kakampi, kaibigan, parang gustong agad ipawalang sala at kailangang ibato ang kasalanan sa pamumulitika. I just would like to remind you of one of the episodes of Gikan sa Masa Q&A. That's, if I'm not mistaken, that's March 10, 2024. Okay? When the president was interviewed by certain media personnel or vloggers, Pastor Kibuloy admitted that he was once complained of illegal conversion, land. Illegal land conversion wherein she could be imprisoned for 6 years. Ang sabi po ni Pastor Kibuloy, nagpapasalamat siya kay Mayor, or tinawag niyang Tatay Digong, Mayor Digong, dahil si Mayor Digong ang lumakad. Pinuntahan ang dapat puntahan. So ano po ba ang nangyayari kapag ganito po ang sinasabi? So, kung dapat may managot po dito sa ginawa po ni Congressman Pulong, since kanya naman pong hindi idininay, kanya pong inamin ang video, lumalabas sa kanyang interview, di dapat managot ang dapat managot.